Hello everybody and welcome to the video. So what we have here today is this Hampton Bay Barrow Island ceiling fan. The ceiling fan is in the second bedroom upstairs here. This fan is also for sale, like all three of them. These fans are indoor-outdoor fans with plastic blades, 3 speeds, versatile, can be mounted on a slope ceiling, the maximum of 18 degrees, or it can be mounted on a standard ceiling like this. You'll need a longer down rod if you install it on a slope ceiling with more of a degree than 18 degrees. You can flush mount it too, and we'll go to low. This fan is for sale. The link will be in the description. I'll be selling them on eBay, $79.99 plus shipping. Brand new, these sell for $124.99. They're pretty good performers for Hampton Bay, but these are supposed to be outside, so. Go to medium now. Yeah, this one wobbles a little bit because the set screws up there are a little loose. Here's high. Once those set screws are tightened up, it won't wobble like it does now. Set that back to low. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.